Okay, we're given a number of values and we're trying to determine whether the corresponding points in the number line would be to the left or right of the point representing negative 17/3. Okay, one of those points was negative 5. Where's negative 5 relative to negative 17/3? Well, negative 5 is to the left, and I would say that that's the case since negative 2 is less than negative 17/3. Negative 2 is to the left of negative 17/13. I'm saying 17/3 is 17/13. 17/13 is, well, it's more than 13/13, which would be 1, but it's less than 26/13, which would be 2. And of course it's negative, so this number lies between negative 1 and negative 2. So negative 1 is greater than negative 17/13, which is greater than negative 2. We lie between negative 1 and negative 2. Any point between negative 1 and negative 2, then negative 1 is greater than that, which is in turn then greater than negative 2. And then certainly negative 5 is to the left of negative 2. What about negative 1.5? That's a little closer, okay? Because negative 1.5 is between negative 1 and negative 2, just as negative 17/13 is. But we can express 17/13 as 1 and 4/13. And then with the negative sign, we're at negative 1 and 4/13, but 4/13 is less than 0.5. So that negative 1 and 4/13 is going to lie closer to 1 than negative 1.5. And 4/13 is less than 0.5, clearly because half of 13 is 6.5, and 4 is less than that. What about the square root of 5? Is it to the left? Are the points that we see to the left or right of 0.5? Okay, well, pi is one of the points. Is pi to the left or right of 0.5? Well, pi squared, pi is bigger than 3, so pi squared is clearly bigger than 9, so it's bigger than 5. So we can say with confidence that pi squared is bigger than 5, so that pi has to be bigger than the square root of 5. What about 7/3? Well, the way to find out if a number is bigger or less than the square root of 5 is to square it. If it comes out bigger than 5, then it's bigger than the square root of 5. If it comes out less, it's less than the square root of 5. In this case, we square 7/3, we get 49/9. Well, 9 goes into 45 5 times, so 49/9 is bigger than 5, so 7/3 is bigger than 5. And this is the type of reasoning you can use to answer all of these questions. Again, if you have difficulty, please let me know. I can elaborate more if it's necessary. I'd be glad to do so.